Hey everybody, this is Tony here from Bikeberry. Today what we're going to do, because it's snowing outside, check this out, this is outside my window right now. Yeah, right, coming down. It's been like that all week, and just the weather's been winter, right? Winter in the Midwest. So I was going to do this part of the video added in when I started the engine, but since it's not very favorable weather out there, what I'm going to do is do it now. And that is, we're going to take and mount the CDI. We're going to put the spark plug in, and we're going to mount the kill switch. Now, if you remember right, I put the aluminum throttle grip on, so we're going to have to put it next to it. So one thing that you'll notice on a spark plug, this is some good info that you'll need to learn, is there's a washer on here, and it's a crushable washer. So you can kind of see how it's got this groove, right? It's kind of thick. Well, that is because when you tighten it down, it squishes in there and it seals it off. Pretty cool, huh? So let's go ahead and put it in our cylinder head here. I want to make sure you get it threaded real nice and it's easy so you don't cross thread it. It's really important. Seat all the way down with your fingers. So take your spark plug socket, which is in this case a 13/16 because this is the bigger spark plug. Okay. Tighten it down so it's snug because you're going to crush that washer. So see how I'm getting a few turns out of it, and now it's getting a little tough. Just enough till it's snug, and then you're good. Okay. So it should look real nice and straight in there, and you'll be good to go. So you can mount the CDI however you see fit. If you want to put it here and bolt it on with the supplied hardware, you got this little strap, 2 bolts, and boom, you're done. But what I do, let's get rid of that, is I'm going to put it this direction on a cruiser frame. I like to mount it in there like that. Coil this around like that. Okay, like that. Then we'll run our wires down here. So as you can see, we have a red and a black wire coming out of our engine. Then we have a red and a black wire coming off of our CDI. Okay. Then you want to take your kill switch wires, which they can be black and blue, black and green, anything. Doesn't matter. Black always goes with the black one. And then the blue will go with the red one. So now that we got the wires all connected together, I like to use this wraparound loom to help protect the wires and just keep the bundle together. But with the wraparound style, it's still maintenanceable. You can pull it apart and fix things. So I'll do a zip tie right around here above the connectors. That way it'll stay away from the exhaust. So you could zip tie this around like this, right? That'll hold it in there, because I'm gonna make a cover to go over this later on. I'd rather have it here so I can hide it within a cover better than I like it being bulky on here. Another option is you can use silicone and run a bead along here and here if you don't want, these on here. I did that on my first bike and it's worked really well. And you can still remove it if you need to, but that's an option. But we love zip ties, right? So check it out. So we got our CDI mounted there, and we intend to make some kind of cover over time when we start modifying it, making our own. But I got a nice wraparound loom over here, but I'm still able to access this, right? and then it's staying away from our muffler, right? It goes all the way down there. Everything's clean, nice, and it won't move. So as far as our kill switch, it has this pin in here. You just take and pull that out. That way you don't have to mess with it. So we'll take and mount our switch on the underside right here. Okay. See, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Now we'll get our wires all tied up, be good to go. So that was the final pieces to our Switz Cruise build. Like I said, I was going to save them for the engine start day, but since it's snowing so bad, so our goal is if the snow stops and it clears up and it gets a little warmer out, we could get this bad boy running, all right? But remember, we're doing a giveaway also, okay? We are giving away the Switz Cruise build, okay? And remember, we're going to modify it too. It's going to be cool. So, you know the drill. Link down below. Get on the list. That's what we need. Get on the list. There's another way you can enter automatically by purchasing on our site by putting in Tony5. I'll put that information down below. Excited that you're here. Excited that we're still doing this. Let's roll.